Well, we're here at the Denver Rivian Spaces for a little meetup. We're talking about camping supplies today, as you can see, but we also had a special visitor, the Gen 2 R1S. So let's take a look. This is Rivian R1S Gen 2. So it's kind of a big surprise. I've never seen it in person. This is a new update, new refresh of the original R1 design. So we'll go through it, see what we can find that's unique and different, and maybe get some stats. All right, at first glance, don't see any major differences here. Similar everything that I can tell. I'm sure that there are differences that I can't see right now, but not really obvious from the R1 design, the original. All right, here's the change. Button and a pull. So why both? Let's see. It opens with the pull. What does the button do?
Does this still work?
The button also opens the door. That's cool, double open style. Ah, but the back only has the button and not the pull handle. Okay, that's one change. How many can you spot? The seat mechanisms seem to be the same. Sorry, guys.
No worries.
I'm gonna see. Okay, yeah, that's the same. All right, that seems to be the same. Let's see if this is the same here, yep. No noticeable differences back here. That works. Let's see if the front will fold down. Yep, same thing. It gets stuck on the front seat because the front seat's back a little bit, but that's okay. There are two new types of wheels, the 22 bright and the new type of wheel that, I don't know what to call it exactly. It is, oh, let's see what size it is. Oh, it's an R22, so this is the 22 sized wheel as well. Looks like more of an aero wheel, which looks really nice. Let's get some underside views here. Now that I don't recall this little protrusion dropping down. I'll have to look in the other R1S to see, but I don't see any major differences there. Beautiful looking suspension system. It's nice I can lay down on the floor here because it's clean. Couldn't do that at my house. All right, so this is the bottom of the OG R1S, and there's a slight difference. That little bump down there is just a little bit different. It's not a big deal, but the one on the Gen 2 is a little bit lower. The phone charger, is it charging? Is it charging? I don't know.
We'll ask both. It's connected.
All right, there are a couple of other differences I've noticed. One, the drawer. Instead of camp speaker. That's really nice. I never use the camp speaker. I've tried a couple times. It doesn't really work that well. It works, but I think the drawer would be more useful on a regular day-to-day. Look at this nice camping mode interface. The interface here is a little different. Heated mirrors. Presets. That's pretty sweet. That looks the same. Probably a couple of differences here that I don't notice. These cameras are super crisp. Look at that, nice cameras. Really good quality camera there. I like this graphic here.
Get the new UI.
It's nice. There's a little divider here.
Yeah, I saw that.
This is the same.
Yeah. They did bring
Assuming that they would have individual chargers for your phones here.
that'd be an assumption.
Hopefully that they'll work a little better.
Right?
Mine don't work all that well.
What do you have, Mark?
Window rolling up and down is the same. And the button. That's really great. I love that. Here's another change. Inside the charger, there's an eject button here. Imagine there's some sort of locking mechanism that goes along with that. Here we have some new parts. Nice.
To grab some spray for the phone.
And the lights go out. It's pretty cool. All right, here we have a little groove in the door handle, which I think might have to do with the new NFC chip for maybe like an Apple Watch or something. Here's another NFC on the passenger side. So some other important changes here. We have a little bit different of a charging mat. And by the way, this is where the RFID item is here for the key. So if you have a key fob or the card, you'd set it here and it would, that's when it would activate the vehicle. I can't do it because I don't have the key, but we also have some software differences, including the fact that when you signal right and left to turn, right and left, there's a camera that appears here on the driver's screen on either side. So that's pretty cool. And the other, one of the other important differences is the cameras in this update are really nice. You can tell it went an upgrade in camera, quality for this new version. They're really sweet. Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave. If you know, you know. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. Stay tuned. We've got lots more to come. Hopefully, we'll be able to get a little bit more exposure to the Gen 2 in the future. This was a special event. I had no idea that they were going to be bringing the R2 or the Gen 2 here today, so I'm super happy to have met it. It's a beautiful vehicle, and stick around. There's lots more to come. See you soon.